What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mary from Roblox Piggy, Book 2. Now we're going to get started in the center of a page and draw a large circle for the muzzle. Let's start right in the middle at the very top. Just going to work our way around the left side, then down towards the bottom. And then we'll just pull that back up towards the top. And then we'll draw a smaller circle along the top of the muzzle for the nose, starting from the very top in the center. Come all the way down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw a large circle for the head tucked in behind the muzzle. So let's start over on the left side. Just going to curve the head going out, up, and then in towards the top of the head. And work our way around the right side, come down, and then bend that back in. Let's go over towards the right side and draw another circle for the eye. Starting from the top, go all the way down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Let's add a smaller circle in the center. Starting from the top, come all the way around, and then back up. And then we'll fill the outside of the eye in black. Now the eye on the left is going to be popping out towards the side. So let's take that same size circle over on the outside. And draw that in, coming down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. And then we'll take the outside perimeter of the eye and tuck that in behind. So let's start on the top, go all the way around toward the top of the eye, come down, and then back in. Let's add in the springs, starting on the left, curve up, and then down on the inside, step over, do that again, going up, and then down. Let's fill the inside of the eye in black. And now we're going to move up and draw in the large ears. Let's line up with the inside edge of the left eye, go up to the top of the head, and draw in a circle. And go up, round out the ear, and then pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. And go up toward the top of the ear, come around, and then in towards the side. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Stepping in, just going to follow that same curve, going all the way around, down, and then in. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side of the muzzle, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to close out the bottom, going back to the left, curve down the middle, and bend that back up. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. In the center, let's step down and add a curve, left to right, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve the foot, going down and then up. And then we'll round out the top of the feet. Starting back on the left, draw almost like a half circle, going up, pulling that down, aiming towards the heel. So I'm going to leave a little gap along the inside of the foot. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Let's start on the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's go back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. Just going to curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right. And then from the wrist, we'll draw a half circle, coming in and then out for the thumb. Let's close off the end with the bracket. And now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and up around that bracket. step down, curve out, and up the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, pull the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Now we're going to add some pegs across the outside of the arm. Let's start on the left and draw 2 straight lines going out, side by side. And it'll connect the top with a curve, going up and then in. Let's add one on the right side. Going up with 2 straight lines. Close off the end with a curve. Let's add another one on the outside of the hand. I'm going to go back to the left side, add one on the inside of the arm. Start with those 2 straight lines. Then this out and then in. Let's add 2 more pegs inside the body. We're going to start on the bottom left. We're going to start with a circle. And then from the top of that circle, draw a straight angled line coming in towards the center of the body. Come down towards the bottom, draw that same length line. And then connect the top and bottom with a curve, going around and then in. Let's add 1 more peg on the top right. Start with that circle. And then from the top, we're going to angle up and in just underneath the head. Do the same thing along the bottom. Close off the inside. And that's pretty much it. There's Mary from Roblox Piggy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.